Hey guys, in this video I want to do a full review of the Liquid Smooth ROM for the Google Nexus 9. Now this ROM comes with Android 5.0.2 Lollipop. So I was busy with making videos about Galaxy series, A series phones. So I didn't got time to review this ROM. So I actually installed this ROM for about last week maybe. It's like 1 week plus has been passed. So now here it is, the review. Let's see, yes, the double tap on the screen works. So this is how this ROM looks like. We have this cool wallpaper, and also these are the G apps that are installed that you have to install separately. So first I'm going to just go into the settings to show you the software version and all that. So you can see Liquid Smooth above, Android development, and it's come with the Android 5.0.2 Lollipop. So performance wise, this is really smooth. One thing I don't like about this one is that when you first install it, and after the installation, when you first flash this ROM using your custom recovery, and then when you first time boot your device, it will take a lot of time, and while booting your device will going to get extremely hot, like extremely hot. And but then your device will going to just when the device will show you the setup and all that welcome screen, then everything will going to go normal. So not a big deal, but that was a kind of like the thing that they should have to optimize. But anyways, first the basic stuff like Wi-Fi and browser, camera, everything works fine, no problems whatsoever. You can take photos, and you can also go into video mode to record video and capture photos while recording the video, so everything works extremely fine. And let's go here into the notification center or the quick settings area. And you can see now we have the dark theme here, everything is now black. And if we go here into settings, and you can also see the background is now black. It's not like the typical Lollipop based settings like we have seen white background on stock. So this is now black, and they have edited that. And if we go here, you can see we have these two new options. First we're going to check out the Liquid Smooth option here. Now you can see we have this option of Equalizer, which is really great for music and all that. Wiper for Android, of course you have to install it first if you want to update it. So you are going to use this for speaker and headphone tweaks and all that. Then also we have interface option here. Now in the interface option, let me just zoom in here. Now the interface option, you can change the LCD density. You can also check out some system animations, list view animations. You can change it like scale, so everything you will see a good animation when you are scrolling, and pretty good options there. Let's move forward to the navigation. Now you can see that we can also set the navigation bar height here, which is 480p default. You can set it up to 28 dB, which means that now I have very small navigation bar here. So let's see if I want to have it like default 48 dB. So now you can see now the buttons are a little bit bigger, so which seems pretty great. Also we have the gesture anywhere option and the app circle bar, pretty great. Also if we go here into notifications, you have these options here. When device is locked, you can have some options like show all notification content or don't show notification at all if you want to have some privacy, and some other app notification options, really great, like the way we have on iOS. So you can disable any notification. For example, if you install a free app, you notice that you will get a lot of notifications, so you can use this feature to disable that. That is really great. And also we have the status bar option. You can turn off the brightness control or turn it on if you want to. Double tap to sleep is on when you double tap the status bar. So let's see if it's going to work or not. You can see it works pretty fine. And double tap to wake is also working fine, no problems there. Also have the weather option, ton of stuff. Battery percentage, yes, you can have battery percentage which is hidden at the moment. So next to the icon, now you can see the battery here, pretty great, 37%. And if we go here into advanced, we have the ad blocker option, the only one option we have there. Now also we have the performance option here. Oops. If we go here into performance option, you can overclock your device to 2.4 gigahertz. You can also downclock it if you want to, and then you can also change the governor. If you want to have gaming and all that, you can have it on performance. And if you want to do a lot of benchmark stuff, now you can see both cores are now on max frequency. So let's just set it to on demand. So really great options here that just applies right away when you just mess up with the options. And also if we check out here the basic normal Android option, we have the display option. You can see pretty great. You can also change the font size. You can see now the animation, the list view animation is now doing its job. When I scroll like this, you can see now on the bottom, you see on the top, this is really great. And normal options there, nothing too special. We have this button options where you can set up some custom actions on your Nexus 9 using some buttons if you want to have that on your device. Then privacy options is really great. You can turn on the privacy guard on some apps. For example, if you watch a lot of porn, then you can have the privacy guard on your browser. Works pretty fine. And then also we have some basic options here, storage, and also Super SU. So definitely it is a great ROM, but I think it's not that much feature rich at the moment. We're definitely going to see a lot more features there. I haven't seen any problem like rebooting or anything silly. The ROM itself seems to be very stable. It also comes with these wallpaper. This one, only one wallpaper. That is the default wallpaper we have. So you can download this ROM. Just make sure you make an Android backup, and then just wipe that factory reset by going into recovery. Just flash it like you do a normal custom ROM, and after installing the custom ROM, flash the G apps, then reboot. First reboot will take a lot of time. Be patient, and then your device is going to boot up, and then you'll have liquid smooth goodness on your Nexus 9. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next one. Peace out.